Welcome to another video by Projectors Team 2. Today we will be discussing project quality management. This is a very important aspect of project management. Failure to uphold quality standards can have serious negative consequences for project stakeholders. Since the project that we are evaluating has to do with building a network with top secret security, project quality management is especially important.
Plan quality is the process of identifying quality requirements or standards for the project and documenting how the project will demonstrate compliance. It should be performed in parallel with the other project planning processes because it affects all parts of a project. Cost of quality is particularly important. It helps companies decide what level of quality has to be achieved. Control charts, benchmarking, and design of experiments all aid in quality planning. This particular project used a better than Six Sigma standard to guide their quality management. A Six Sigma process is one in which 99.99966% of the products manufactured are statistically expected to be free of defects, or 3.4 defects per million. Since the network needs to be nearly impossible to hack, it has to have even less defects than this.
Perform quality assurance is the process of auditing the quality requirements and the results from quality control measurements. This ensures that appropriate quality standards and operational definitions are being used. Perform quality assurance is an execution process that uses data created during perform quality control. This process includes quality audits to make sure that quality standards are being upheld. This assures that the project's quality standards are up to par. For this project, the company did an excellent job of performing quality assurance. They actually have an entire staff of quality assurance experts to guarantee high-quality networks for clients.
Perform quality control is a process of monitoring and recording results of executing the quality activities to assess performance and recommended necessary changes. There are various charts and techniques to perform quality control, the most common being fishbone or cause and effect diagrams. Others include control charts, flow charting, Pareto diagrams, run charts, and scatter diagrams. Statistically sampling and inspection aid in the generation of these charts.
Documenting all of this information aids in compiling lessons learned and best practices so as not to make the same mistakes in quality control twice. Perform quality control is an excellent tool for project managers in all fields, but is especially important in the technology industry, and more specifically in network design. We hope this video has been beneficial to you, and we will be back next week for project risk and communications management.